Hi, boys and girls. It's Mr. Heidewitz from Math Minute 6. We're going to go ahead and get started, and then I will pause it so you can check your first 5, and then we'll restart it so you can check your work, and then we'll go through 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 also. So first of all, I'm going to put my name at the top of the page, and you don't need to see that, so I can pause it quick for that. Then I'm going to go through and read all of the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to you. And once I get done with that, you can pause the video or you can continue to work along with the video. Either way, once we're done, I'll give you the answers to the first 5, and then you can move on to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as you need to. It might just take me a second to figure out how to do all the starts and stops in there. So number 1 says, circle the name of the shape. It gives you 4 options: circle, square, triangle, or rectangle. Number 2 is a number pattern: 4, 8, 12, 16, something. Number 3, Will has a pair of skates. There are 4 wheels on each skate. How many wheels does he have altogether? Remember that word altogether clues me into the fact that it's an addition problem. So I'm just going to put a little note there that says addition. Circle the digit in the tens place. The number is 426. And number 5 says, how many corners are on the shape? And you have to kind of scroll up here so you can see the entire shape. That's an octagon, and it's the same shape as a stop sign. And just for fun, I put stop and then, I don't know. Anyways, go ahead and finish 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then check your work quick, and we'll move on. My table shakes a little too, sorry about that. So I went through and I completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's not too much that's noteworthy, but there are a few things. My shape here is a rectangle. My next number in my pattern is 20. And number 3, I said it was addition because I wasn't really thinking clearly at the time, and that's why we should slow down and take a look at things, because even I get to moving too quickly. It says Will has a pair of skates, and a pair means 2. So he's got 2 skates. There are 4 wheels on each skate. How many wheels does he have altogether? Well, I said initially to do addition, but the reality is you could do addition or you could do multiplication, because he's got 2 groups of 4 wheels. So multiplication works here too. You could either say 4 plus 4, because this is 1 skate and this is 1 skate for a total of 8 wheels. Or if you're a little more advanced or ready, you could do multiplication and say 4 wheels, 2 groups of skates, 4 times 2 is 8. So either way you want to do it, all together in 3rd grade doesn't just mean addition. Sometimes it can mean multiplication too. So that's good to remember. The digit in the tens place is the 2. The value of that 2 is 20. How many corners are on the shape? There are 8 corners. A corner is just where 2 line segments or parts of lines meet, and I put a little dot there. Moving on to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Number 6 says complete the fact family. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is something. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then it says use the number line to complete questions 7 through 10. These are just number sentences. Number 7 is 15 minus 4. Number 8 is 16 minus 8. Number 9 is 14 minus 7. Number 10 is 13 minus 9. I'm going to, sorry, I had a cough there. I'm going to use my number line so you'll see all my rainbow arcs on there to show you. You can choose to use your number line or not at this point. If you need it, use it. If you don't need it and you can get the answers correct, then go ahead and do it just with mental math. Remember to pause the video as you move forward so you have a chance to complete your work and then come back and check it at the end. Now I've completed my work and I'll show you just my answers, and I'll also explain to you how to read the rainbow arcs or the curves or the jumps, how skips, whatever you want to call them, on question 7, 8, 9, and 10. So complete the fact family. My missing number was 5. And then for my number line, 15 minus 4 I did in pencil. So I just have that one marked in pencil. You can see my rainbow arcs. And then my answer was 11. Number 8, I used orange, and I started at 16 and skipped, jumped, hopped, rainbow arced 8 times because I'm taking away 8, and I ended on the number 8. Number 14, or I'm sorry, number 9, I did in purple. 14 minus 7, I went underneath. I started at 14. I took away 7, jumps, hops, skips, or rainbow arcs, and I ended on the number 7. And then for number 10, I used green. 13, take away 9, um, ends up being 4. And you can see my green rainbow curves there. So if you completed it that way, that's what your number line should look like. If you just did it mentally in your head, hopefully, if you have a little bit of trouble doing mental math, that's okay. Some of you may have chosen to write it vertically off to the side, which can be helpful. Not for this one, really. 15 minus 4 is 11. But when you get to 16 minus 8, you know and understand right away that you can't take 8 from 6. So you have to look at this as the full 16. And that turns into regrouping. So I'm going to take my 1 from the 10th place and just add it right there. You don't have to when you have a problem like this, but that's what it would look like. I regroup my 10s and put it in my 1s place. I have 16 ones minus 8 ones, and I gives me. That's my short explanation for Math Minute 6. Please move on to your math lesson or come to the live link, depending on what your schedule looks like for the day. But remember, you are required to come to the live link. So please show up at the Math Live link at 10 o'clock. Thanks, kids. Bye.